Each species of bird is capable of killing a man in one hit if it wanted to. The cassowary is classified as the most dangerous bird species in the world. The only bird that can kill humans with one hit. The female lays her eggs next to any male she meets and then leaves. The male incubates the eggs for 9 months and raises the chicks. It is the second heaviest bird in the world after the ostrich. It is huge and cannot fly. Although it mainly eats fruit, it is very fierce. At first glance, they seem to be beautiful and shy birds, but if you get close to them, they will probably kick you and their kicks will be lethal.